Congratulations on purchasing your new 4-burner gas grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your grill, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly, which are not included. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly, simply call the customer service line on your screen. Now let's dig in. Steps 1 and 2. We'll begin by inserting your grill's left cart legs into their respective cart feet. Simply slide them into place until you hear a click. Step 3. Next, slide the grill's wheels into place. Then, using your adjustable wrench, secure them using one E-nut on the outside of each wheel. Step 4. After that, find your grill's bottom left cart frame and attach it to the left cart legs by loosening the pre-assembled screws, sliding the frame into place, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Step 5. Next, attach the top left cart frame using 2 A-screws at each side, taking care to install the frame right side up, like so. Step 6. Once both left cart frames are secure, we'll join the rear left and rear right cart legs with the rear cart frame. To do so, loosen the pre-assembled screws located on the rear cart legs, slide the frame into place, then retighten the pre-assembled screws. Once again, make sure you're installing the rear cart frame right side up, with the holes facing upward, like so. Steps 7 and 8. Now let's install the right cart frames the same way we did the left. Use the right cart legs pre-assembled screws to secure the bottom cart frame in place. Then use 2 A-screws per side to secure the top right cart frame. Step 9. Next, we'll install the grill's front panel by loosening the 4 pre-assembled screws located on the inside of each front cart leg, mounting the panel, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. When mounting, make sure the hooks in your panel are facing downward. Step 10. When that's done, let's install your first tank wire by inserting the large hook into the farthest left hole inside the front panel, then securing the other end of the wire to the rear cart frame using one B-screw. Step 11. Then install the second tank wire by inserting the right end of the wire into the back right cart leg, and then the left end of the wire into the front leg. Step 12. With the grill's cart frame assembled, now it's time to mount the firebox. With the help of a friend, carefully lower the firebox down onto the top of the cart frame, like so. Step 13. Once in place, secure the firebox assembly with 2 A-screws on each side of the firebox. Step 14. Next, assemble your grill's left side shelf by attaching the side shelf control panel to the rest of the side shelf assembly using 3 B-screws. Step 15. Once assembled, mount the side shelf on the left side of the firebox by slightly loosening the pre-assembled screws, sliding the shelf into place, then retightening the pre-assembled screws from the inside of the firebox. Steps 16 and 17. Repeat these steps over the right side of the firebox to assemble and mount your grill's right side shelf. Step 18. Once both side shelves are attached, secure each side to the control panel using a side shelf bracket and 2 B-screws for each shelf. Step 19. Next, open the lid on your grill and put each flame tamer into place at the bottom of the main burner bowl. No screws are necessary to secure the flame tamers. Step 20. On top of those will be the cooking grid. Place the grid above the flame tamers, making sure the holes in the cooking grid face the front of the grill. Step 21. Then set the warming rack into place. Step 22. After that, unscrew the pulse igniter module cap on the grill's control panel. Then insert a AA battery, positive side facing out, into the slot. Then reinstall the cap. Step 23. Now we'll assemble the grease tray by attaching a bracket to the main tray using 2 B-screws and 2 D-washers. Step 24. Once your grease tray is assembled, simply slide it into the back of the grill, then insert the grease cup into the grease tray. Step 25. With your grill nearly assembled, it's time to attach your liquid propane tank. First, slide your tank into the cart so that it sits in the frame's grooves, allowing the tank wire to swing up into the cart. Once in place, lift the tank wire up and over the top brim of the propane tank, step 26. And finally, carefully connect the gas line to your tank. Your Nexgrill 4-burner gas grill is now fully assembled and ready for use. Happy grilling!